Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I got this cute heatless curls updo using some of my favorite Luster's Pink products, and they have a brand new look. For this style, I'm gonna use my favorite OG Luster's Pink Classics, the original super hydrating oil moisturizer hair lotion that still has that iconic fragrance that we all love and remember. And my must-have is the glosser that is infused with aloe vera, shea butter, and jojoba oil. For my heatless curls, I am going to use these purple flexi rods. You can use any size rollers or flexi rods that you own, or if you want a larger or smaller curl, that's all up to you. But I'm going to go ahead and use these. Okay, I'm going to section my hair off into 3 sections. I'm going to spray my hair with a little bit of water. This will help form my curls, and of course I am going to use the Pink Oil Moisturizer hair lotion, and this also will give my hair some great hydration that my hair needs to hold the curls overnight. So I absolutely love this. I'm going to make sure I hit my hairline with some moisturizer and really pay attention to those ends because we are growing out our hair and our ends are the most fragile. You want to make sure we keep those nice and moisturized. So I'm going to wrap the hair around the flexi rod, very gentle, and make sure nothing is pulling, nothing is tugging. And I'm just going to wrap it around the front, and boom, that is it. It's super easy to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do the next section, apply some moisturizer. Go ahead and wrap it around the flexi rod. Very easy. I tend to start in the middle of the section and then wrap the ends under, making sure the ends are nice and smooth and tucked because we don't want the frizzy ends from the roller. So make sure everything is nice and flat. To secure the flexi rod, I'm just going to go ahead and bend them over one another. Do a quick press just to make sure everything is in place. And then I will sleep with these overnight. They're very comfortable, and I will apply my satin scarf overnight, and then the next morning I'll be good to go. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, so it's the next morning, y'all, and our curls had time to set as we slept overnight with our 3 sections. So I'm going to go ahead and gently remove each flexi rod, unraveling it backwards because you don't want to do too much and make it too rough to where it may cause frizz, but we are frizz free here because we use our pink products. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use the glosser to add a bit more shine and to make sure everything stays nice and sleek and shiny. So I want to put a little bit of the glosser on top of here. I did a few pumps in my hand, rubbed it together, and then applied it to each section. And this just smooths everything out and adds some amazing shine. And for this updo, I do want to have kind of like a piece out or a bang. You can definitely, modify this to your liking, but I wanted a fairly large kind of like side part bang with these beautiful curls. So I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers to bring my hair up into a high ponytail. And the reason why I'm using my fingers is because it's easier, less manipulation, and I don't want to manipulate my curls. I don't want the curls to drop or to fall because they are a bit tighter due to the flexi rods. So over and throughout the day, the curls will start to fall. So I am going to go ahead and use an ouchless band and, gently put my hair up into a loose top ponytail. Okay, yes, my curls are really tight. So those are going to fall later. I am going to apply a little bit more of the pink oil lotion, and I love this so much. I'm going to make sure I apply that moisturizer to my ends as I'm kind of separating the curls and defining the curls at the same time on the ponytail. And for the bang, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to style my bang, comb it down a little bit, and make sure that my ends stay nice and curled and moisturized with applying a little bit more of the moisturizer to my ends. And it just really helps place everything and apply a little bit of edge control just to tame the edges and fluff my hair. And I'm so excited, y'all, that I'm able to put my hair up into a high ponytail again because it's been forever. My hair is growing out nicely, and I'm loving this low manipulation style, and especially because it's heatless curls with the use of my favorite Luster's Pink products. And as you can see, some of the curls are starting to fall just a little bit. You can leave some wispy hairs in the back, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush those up. But it's cute though if you want to leave that like that. But overall, I am loving this low manipulation, heatless style. It's really great, especially if you are on a healthy hair care journey like myself. You want to avoid heat. And if you are interested in these Luster Pink products, be sure to check out the description below to see where you can get your hands on it as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and continue to watch more of my tutorials here.